He raised the bar. Now DeFi will never be the same.
Let's pack your bags, let's sail away to the land of opportunity. Richard Hart has changed the game. He raised the bar, now DeFi will never be the same. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. The haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Roads paved with gold, truth be told, they're changing lives. It's Hex 5555, I stake that Hex to stay alive. The captain chilling with the Blacksheep, we rapping and packing our bags. We're blessed to wake up every day, cause we're on the ball stage. I'm with the captain and we're making it happen. No one's ever stopping this community. We got the fire, we got the flame, and no one ever's gonna stand in our way. In Mexico, the haters are gonna hate as the cruise ship pulls away. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. We're crashing all the parties and we're driving Maseratis. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. Had to join cause you couldn't beat us. Now you got financial freedom. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico. And the beat is gonna beg, and we're all gonna be rich. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go down to Mexico.
What's up, DJ? Welcome to the crypto. Blacksheep show.
Oh shit, that was a good one.
All right, we're done.
Show's over.
All right, let's get those gays in the post shape. Peace. I'm kidding. We got tickets to give away. He's like, wow,
Small's 1300.
Shout out to the audience. We got Romix. We got the Roe brothers, Romix and Robar. We got Frank White. We got Will Smith in that, or Will Smith. Sorry, you gotta look like him too, I guess. Will Stevenson. Oh my god. Oh shit. Robar. We got Ian. West Side. Ian in his house. What up? We got Veritas. We got Frank White. Frank White. Your last name is racist, man.
Wow.
Oh man. Zero validator NFTs for sale now. Yeah. Shout out to you guys. We're gonna do I gotta give it a little pause going because on yesterday's stream we had like I think was it 10? 9 or 10?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then today they're all gone. Our target was yeah, I got. This is super important, guys. Like right now, if we start working on right now getting these validators, before Pulse does a fucking 100,000x, whatever, it's like locking in your fucking long-term Like, you're basically getting income for as long as fucking pulsing is running, right? So it's kind of, I mean, it's not going to make you rich overnight, but you know, it's supporting an amazing network that we need to.
We'll be there tomorrow.
We should be passing fucking Ethereum validators, you know, like, should be any problem with that. Like, pulsing is shit. The community is fucking just rocks, dude. So like, what the fuck? What else are you gonna go? Go run some dash nodes.
Was there enough to make another validator?
We got dipped up. So I guess I tagged. Yeah. I think we're exactly at the right price. Somebody buy up those last ones. Yeah, it's 26. Oh shit. Yeah. Now we have enough for another one. I'm pretty sure. 41 divided by 64. No, was it 40? 41. What am I fucking thinking? It's 41 validator times 500,000, right? Wait a minute. No. I can't fucking do that today. I just did this 4 minutes ago. Sorry, woke up, guys. I don't fucking like that. So 2624. It's the number of validators. And we need to divide that by. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The number of nodes. So 32. Right?
Okay. Isn't like 52 because each NFT is
41. Fucking math is sucking it. Let's see, 41. Oh, yeah, no, 2624 divided by 41. That's what I want. 2624 divided by 41 should give us, 64. Yeah, exactly. So, sorry, fucking, which way do I go? Divide, multiply. Oh, my God. I haven't gone to fucking school for a long time. So, all I know is how to count my money in my wallet. That's about it.
Which is displayed on the top of the Ravi wallet.
Yeah, I don't even see it. So, yeah, it's displayed on my fucking Ravi. Ravi's such a cool wallet, dude. There's no fucking if you got money or if you don't. If you got rug, you'll see zeros. Pretty cool shit. So yeah, I'm gonna let Donnie know he needs to transfer the last of that over to David Peter. Thank you guys. Fucking round of applause for you guys.
Be connected!
Very funny, you bloody bastard. Fucked your mother last night.
I hit too many of them. Let's go on that note. Let me hit up Donnie real quick. Let him know that we have 41 now.
I like the goat bomb queen one. That was funny.
Okay, cool. So now, guys, it's time to work on our 42nd validator. Okay. So 42nd validator.
I have one.
Wait a second. 42. What do we do? Where you go, puppies? Did you eat already?
I thought Know-It-All was gonna jump on. He was in the chat room right
Yeah,
before.
what the fuck happened to him?
Huh?
I got like he's in the voice chat. Hey, Note, I thought you were coming on the stream.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my bad.
He got distracted by NATO.
NATO has his attention.
NATO's grilling him.
Right.
He likes his steak well done.
Yeah, so now we need to get up to 2688 on the mints, guys. 2688, that's not much. That is basically 88 minus 2624. Yeah, 64. What is 64 times 500,000 pulse? It's 32 million, yeah. So we just need 32 million pulse. Anybody got 32 million pulses in their wallet? We can get another validator going.
Yeah, I do. I have 32
It's like
million.
$30.
You want to own a validator node? We just hit 41. You need 64. You need 64 NFTs total, and it's 32 million. 32 million people that own a full validator node through DGen protocol.
And how much does that pay out?
I mean, it's not much, dude. It's a validator node, so you're looking at probably 8% a year, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, he's like, oh, that's fucking low. Yeah, but I know that's when if you want to like do long-term gains with your gains. I mean, we're talking they're throwing $30 a pop right now for the NFTs, but they can fucking 10x, 100x from here, over time.
Yeah.
So, but you get paid daily.
My only issue with owning NFTs is they're not liquid.
Yeah, you just fucking want to cheat it. That's why.
No,
of course they're not liquid. But see, I like the way we're doing this because it forces people to stay in and support the fucking ecosystem instead of just cheating right out. Right? We had 200 items in here listed for sale, like over 200, just a month ago, and people bought them up. There is demand out there. The demand's slow. I think at first people were like thinking, oh, they could just make a quick buck, and a lot of them cheated out, of course, but. Yeah. Now I think everybody in here realizes that this is like once you put your fucking PLS in here, just forget about it for like a year or two, and then enjoy all those rewards you've gotten all along the way, and then you can get your, you get it back. And it comes down the road, we have it so backed up, and people are pissed off. Of course, we'll probably do something but I think right now is like this is a good way to do it. Keep them fucking locked in. We're not running off with your money. We're supporting the movement here on Pulse Chain, and. Just trusting us, trusting the fucking system. But let's let Chodeitall do some chart porn. Can you guys hear me? My shit still it keeps cutting out.
We can hear you now.
Can you guys hear me?
Some chart porn, yeah. I don't have good news for us, unfortunately.
Doomsday, sell all your crypto. Go to stables.
I mean,
you're like a couple weeks behind, but.
How long until the DGen protocol has the option to sell our NFT to the system? That's another thing we're working on. We're actually, I mean, it's going to take time. We have to build these revenue streams. That's what I'm going to use a lot of my PDI for down the road to, provide liquidity and have yield coming out of the farms and shit. And I want to have one that just does nothing but buys, NFTs for the protocol itself. If that's what you're talking about, Will. Yeah, that option is not available yet. What happens right now is when you go to sell it, you're listing it in our little marketplace here, and then the next person that wants to get one will buy whatever's in this. It stops the minting of the NFTs, and then it has the one in here for the next one to buy, right? And any of these that are listed, also, guys, I gotta let you know, any of these that are listed here, they do not get rewards that are distributed. These are only sent to people that own the NFT in their wallet. Okay, if you put it on the marketplace, then the marketplace owns it, and that gets a blacklist of getting any type of validated rewards. So if you list it, just keep in mind whatever you were getting, you're not going to get until that sells and goes back into someone else's wallet, and then they get the rewards. So I like the system. A lot of people might not like it, but that's why I'm letting you know this is a long-term play. And if you put it in here, you're basically donating and just helping the ecosystem. And because we don't shut the validators down, we keep them running, because the longer you keep them running, the more they'll pull over time, and it makes more sense just to keep them running. Anyway, let's get back to the little thing here.
It helps the cause of the people that are holding it. The whole reason why you first got into it.
Yeah, dude. If we could get all that fucking PLS just stuffed out there in validators, dude, we'd be so decentralized. We'd be like our gas fees will stay low for a long time, right? That's what that does. It broadens your network, makes it more efficient. If you guys have noticed, like we had a couple of like really big gas spikes coming into the game. Where the fuck did my streamer thing go? And then like we had a spike, and then more validators came on, and then the gas prices dropped again, right? So like it's dirt fucking cheap. I love it. Dude, what the fuck happened to the thing I just had up?
So I have some bragging rights to talk about a trade from the stock market today. We're going to cover it, but I also, what's funny is I built, I'm starting to build modules for a course. And the funny part is I use the NVAX stock to give an example of how to take a trade. And this stock today did a 140% move.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Let me just give away these tickets real quick, and then you can go.
Yeah.
What was the magic word? Oh, validator gator.
32 million pulses. How many pulse?
32 million?
Yeah. How much money is that?
It's like a couple grand or something right now.
Mm-hmm.
32. It is, yeah, $1,947.
I guess I could sell my Aave and get 32 million pulse. I just made almost 3x off that trade.
Nice. Oh, fuck, dude. I just fucking closed it again.
It's gonna pull back though now, I think, but what a fucking trade that was too. What is this gauge shit on the fucking chart? Oh, okay.
It's probably a dick.
Well, you must be looking at Sheep's chart.
Yeah, you're looking at my chart. All right, here we go, guys. Is my audio on? Oh, what the fuck? Where's him going? Oh, I was on the wrong screen.
Naked.
Naked fucking Matrix. Come on down, buddy. Let's go.
So how does that choose a winner? That's based off comments from the last video or something, or what?
Yeah, no. You just have to put in. You just pick a. You go to StreamYard.com/giveaway. I didn't even know about this tool till somebody told me about it, and yeah, it works great. That's what we've been using ever since.
No, but how do you
They
participate?
just have to. You just have to put a
comments in the video.
How do you participate? Comments in the video? Okay.
Yeah, and they have to put the hashtag. You just put
In the
in the
live
StreamYard
chat.
tool hashtag and then whatever word, and then whoever does that in the chat, it comes up. It tallies them up. It's pretty cool shit.
Nice.
I think this is your address matrix. So, yeah. Oh yeah, it's pinned.
Bitcoin's like hanging on by a fucking thread here. 60.9.
Yeah, it's not looking good.
It's gonna bounce here, I think, but it's probably gonna get rejected again. Oh, crypto is gonna be hard to trade on spot right now. I don't know.
We got 23 people out there. Thank you. Welcome to the stream. Make sure you guys smash the like buttons. All that good stuff. All right, Naked, here's your ticket. Coming right up.
Are you still trading the ranges on GOAT, dude?
I just have my sniper bot out there picking up the dips. What the fuck is that?
Nice. How's that going?
Oh, I'm in the wrong shit. What the fuck is happening? Come on. You just did that in the wrong wallet. All right. Let's try it again. All right, there we go.
ETH looks like a falling wedge, man.
What does? ETH?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
But if Bitcoin breaks down, then this is just going to break down. It's It's got to close back above 29.75 by 8 o'clock, man. So we're confirming a daily break candle here.
All right, uno más. Will Stevenson. There we go. Will Stevenson. Congrats, Mr. Andrew Tate. What the fuck did I call him earlier? Will Smith? Will Smith. Oh, shit. Good stuff. All right. Another successful giveaway. Congrats to all the winners. And now, Mr. Know-It-All, you have the floor. Thank you so much for your presence.
All right.
Oh, I called you Mr. Chodeitall on the title. This is Mr. Chodeitall.
All right. So on the hourly time frame right now, short-term time frame, Tether is getting rejected here, which is good. We might get a bounce in the market here for the next couple hours. We'll see how that plays out. If this support breaks, that means we can see Tether come down a lot. That would actually be really good for the market to go up. And that would be inclusive of pulse chain assets. I've noticed that actually pulse chain assets still do respect what the overall market is doing. There was a period of time that it wasn't. It was kind of like on its own. But if we go and look right now, wow, Maker is actually trying to rally, by the way. So that's cool. I'm not sure if you guys saw Aave, but Aave put in almost a 300% day today. Something noteworthy. Yep, I bought it at 16 cents last night.
20, man.
I put
Why would Aave be pumping? Oh, let's see, because Richard Hart's fucking using it to back P-Dye and fucking dude. This shit's sick. If you guys don't think P-Dye is going to $1, you're stupid.
Here you go. This was my buy right here, dude.
All part of it. Cool, man.
Right before the breakout.
Good fucking trade. Yeah, stack up on that shit, dude. Because if all this goes to parity, we're all fucking stupid rich. Every one of us that's fucking get here right now. I love bullshit, dude. Fucking love it.
Yeah, the daily chart looks pretty good for continuation. We might see like a bit of a pullback. We're coming right into the range high, and typically after you come into the range high, you might get a little bit of a drawdown. Like it might consolidate a bit after this move, right? It might do something like this, and it might even come back all the way down to reset and then break higher. Let's cover P-Dye and Hex. Hex had a nice move this week.
Yeah.
So Hex, you can see Hex kind of basing out down here. The candle today is a backtest candle. I wouldn't say that that's a bad candle to see. The weekly is trying to engulf. Again, you tagged the super trend low area perfectly, and right off the bottom of the range. I would say if you're a swing trader, like you could swing this to the top of the range. Yeah. So that's about a 200% move if we get it. And it does look like you might, if you end up crossing above the 20 line on the weekly time scale, that would be a weekly buy signal to come in. So that's not confirmed just yet, but obviously you could definitely strategize taking a trade down here because of how low risk it is, right? So if you were to take a trade on Hex, and let's see, do I have that tool on this? I do. So if you were to strategize, let's just say you want to take the trade right here, you would take your trade here and set your stop below the weekly candle body, just below it, and you could shoot for a 3-to-1 risk to reward, which would actually take you to about here, which is about a 65% move. And that's a great trade setup. All right. As a trader, I look for 3-to-1 risk to rewards, and you may even be able to get more than 3-to-1 on this trade. All right. You might even be able to get 9-to-1 on this trade. So there's your hex. Hex looking pretty good. Pulse chain. I'm actually in a position on Pulse chain currently, and my entry on Pulse chain is, I think, like around the 6,000 region. Let's see. So I'm basically like scratch on this trade right now, but it hasn't broke out just yet. And the RSI on the 3-day is oversold. So usually, this asset's technically still in an uptrend because it hasn't taken out these lows. If it starts to really lose momentum here and gets rejected at this 65 level, then we can talk about it coming further down, right? It's tested it once, but now it's like diverging even more. And so what can happen is the reason why I ended up taking the trade is because the daily time frame put in a double bottom. Okay. And we got follow through price action off this candle. So that's really what you want to see. So we're kind of confined between this range right here on Pulse. And like I said before, if we end up getting a break above this like 7,000 region, we can then have the idea that this is probably going to go into a major
Jackpot, bitch!
And the swing trade is back up to the top of the range, which is about 178% from here. And we don't know what it's going to do, but as a trader, you obviously want to identify the ranges. And a falling wedge, if this does break out, usually breaks the top of the wedge.
Yep. Manage your risk, or you're going to be banging your head on the wall.
That's it. It's the name of the game. So the trade. Still in the trade until we end up breaking this low. And so if we end up breaking this low, what am I going to really lose? 7%. So a 7% downside risk versus a potential almost 200% gain.
Jackpot, bitch!
Risk to reward is there for Pulse Chain down here. Okay. At these levels. And the RSI in the daily, you can see starting to show tail end daily bullish divergence.
I seen it.
So this is starting to round out down here and looking like it wants to make a push up. All right, so that looks good. Ink token, I'm no longer in this position. I actually just went for Pulse Chain instead. But I think Ink token is looking a lot like the other assets with their double bottoms. All right, but you got no break here so far. You're getting rejected right here, but you didn't take out yesterday's candle. So, if this is just a resting bar candle, then that's fine. Then maybe if we just rest here for a day and we don't go break lower, we can then get a potential breakthrough candle.
So we're just gonna wait, or should I ape the fuck in right now?
No, Blacksheep, don't do it.
You can ape in right now and just know that you have to manage your risk on it, right? So, if we start making candle closes below, 280, get the fuck out.
Right.
But I would wait for.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you could probably enter the trade right now. The hourly got a reset, so you could probably start to buy right here, if you wanted. Okay.
Okay.
The 15 minutes going into a squeeze, so this might be the time to actually enter this position.
On Ink?
Probably on all of them, if I had to guess. But yeah, I'm looking
Did you look
at
at P-Dye yet?
I didn't look at DAI yet. We'll look at DAI for you and for me because I also have a position in DAI. So DAI is still holding the trend line. No qualms right now with DAI. As long as it holds this trend line, I think you're going to be okay. The weekly here, really distinct on DAI here was this is a hammer candle, a stronger hammer candle than what Bitcoin put in. Okay. And but we need to see follow through on this hammer. Otherwise, this can fail, right? Because typically you get hammer candles towards the bottom of a structure. Now, yeah, you can argue that this was the pullback and this is the bottom of the structure, but we need to see volume supporting this trend reversal. All right. And the unfortunate thing you have going against you is your weekly stochastics haven't reset just yet. So we could be looking at some more consolidation on PDI here. And the daily candle here is, it didn't engulf yesterday's action, but it almost did engulf it, right? So there's that. And someone could argue that, hey, is this a rising wedge? It could be. And the reason why I say it could be is because it's teetering right now between bullish and bearish control zone, right? But you are working on a daily MACD cross, so maybe that has enough momentum to keep the price propped up. And he's gone. So that's it. That's basically all I got here on the pulse assets. It's really going to just depend on how these play out.
Okay.
I'm still in the positions. I think that they still look okay technically.
Okay.
I'm hoping that Tether just puts a lower high in here and comes down. But I'm a little concerned about what Tether is doing because the weekly momentum here is still to the upside for Tether.
Okay.
All right. So the broader market.
I'm ready for some downside. I mean, if we have to wait a couple more months or something, I'm all right.
Yeah, I mean, look how strong Tether is showing strength here on the 8-hour.
Yeah.
It's look at that candle today, man. Fuck me. That's a fucking dildo.
I think what you look at there, you know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's concerning. It's concerning. And it did break the descending broadening formation. It broke out, back tested, and usually after you get a breakout and a back test.
Someone jump off. They're being on the back. That's also quiet. But I'll see you guys in the chat room. Peace.
The dollar itself is also, holding the 4-hour EMA here. The weekly time frame. The only thing is that what looks good actually on the weekly for the dollar is that the momentum on the weekly time frame looks like it's losing steam on the weekly. So that could save Bitcoin. That could save the market if this actually ends up breaking further down. That could save it. If next week we open and we do one of these, market's gonna go nuts. If we open next week and we do one of these, we'll probably
Okay.
teetering right now. We're teetering in this market. S&P closed. Oh my God! It closed right at the weekly all-time high, and we didn't break, dude. If this is, we didn't see a massive rejection here though, so that's the thing. But didn't exactly break. It did get rejected a little bit here, pretty close to the all-time high. And if it is a harmonic pattern, a bearish butterfly, this could be bad. Like that right there. If that's a 786 or an 886 fib. Oh man, it's an 886. Yeah, dude. The S&P could be donezo for a bit. Could be a double top.
Damn.
It could be. It's not confirmed yet, but it could be.
Fucking right in the pussy.
It is trying to work on a weekly cross up though. So there's that. We are at a weekly reset area for the S&P. I think it's going to go higher, but we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. The daily's not overbought either. If the daily was overbought and showing divergence, then I would say we're fucked. But I don't think we're out of the woods yet. This ends up breaking. We're going to see 534 on the S&P, and then all markets should go up.
Huh.
But yeah, I'm still concerned. I'm still a little concerned about what Bitcoin's going to do here. It's not looking too hot. I am running. One of my buddies is running a bot for me. Let's see if I can pull that up. So I only put a G into this bot, but it's not having. I mean,
I've heard of profit trailing.
If there's no price action, then I'm not going to get any trades. But I put $1,000 in here.
I've heard it. Does it work?
Yeah, it's working great.
Yeah.
It's all about the strategy you have, though.
Okay.
Yeah, dude. If you want to try it, KYC like a KuCoin account or something, and my buddy will just run it for you. He takes a
KYC KuCoin in the U.S.
You can. You can. Yeah, you can.
I thought they blocked this. I hate centralized shit.
I hear you.
I'll use it to cash out. That's it. Everything else stays in DeFi. I learned my lesson with Binance when they fucking locked up like $14,000, and I'd have Zilla because the guy that makes my thumbnails, he lives in the Philippines. I'd have him use his ID to verify the account, and then I just let him keep like $1,000 or $2,000 for fucking getting in there for me. And yeah, he's still been working for me to this day. He's a good guy, really talented. He just doesn't. He's got like social anxiety. He doesn't hang out. Doesn't ever come on the stream. Doesn't ever talk on the Telegram. Oh yeah. Gravestone Doji candle. Woo. You guys got any tickers out there you want them to look at before we wrap it up? Tickers? Yeah. This feeder's fucking sick, man. It won't die. Shout out to all you guys doing your thing out there. I see we got another big deposit in today, so that's good. If y'all just believe in it. It's designed to run a very long time.
All right.
My throat.
Got a new candle open here. It's not looking good. Not looking good.
Oh yeah?
We engulfed yesterday's candle.
Oh, Gnosis. We got a shout out for Gnosis on Pulse.
Okay. Gnosis on Pulse. Okay. Let's take a look at it.
Yeah.
Gnosis token. Okay, so it has some liquidity.
Oh yeah?
Oh
shit.
Oh.
Boner.
Oh.
Woo-hoo-hoo. That's a fucking boner.
Sounds like it's a little too late to buy it.
I want to tickle them balls.
You tickle them balls.
But it's in price discovery, man. Good luck. I got nothing bad to say about it right now, other than it looks like a moonshot. Gonna add it to my watch list. Any other PRC20s that you guys think it might do well? How's Link looking?
We had we had Gnosis, and I thought we had another one. What's this? That's weird for a Pinoy. What's really social?
So obviously Ave made a rip.
What's he talking about? Most are really sociable. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're talking about Zilla? Yeah. I've had talks to him. I'm like, why don't you come fucking hang out? He does his thing, whatever. But he does it. He does shit I don't want to have to do every day. I use ChatGPT to create all the fucking all like the descriptions and shit. He creates the fucking thumbnails, and that's how we do it. I don't really do shit. I make stupid fucking thumbnails, and I wait for the price to go up.
Wait for Node to tell you everything looks good.
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Actually, Link doesn't look too.
Hang out with you beautiful people every day.
Link doesn't look too bad
here. Oh, here we go. We got another ticker. Peanut butt.
Oh, jeez.
PNUTBUTT.
So there's like no liquidity on this.
Probably not.
Just opened. There's nothing I can really say about it aside from good luck.
I mean, if the team's good, they got a good community. You know, that's what everything needs. You know, it's really hard to start with absolutely no community, but as long as you got a good team and a good product, usually it'll do decent for it. Yeah.
So
you see the Go token? We were talking about Go token for like 5-10 years. It's still going to be fucking like much longer I decide to do this, but Go token is always going to be there. It's going to be great.
So one could argue on a small time frame that you're in a channel up. Yeah, I mean the daily looks good. Looks like you're
looks good.
Maybe you're gonna push up a bit.
Nice. Yeah, can you check out Goat real quick? Is it showing any signs of fucking life versus pulse? It had a nice little pump versus pulse. I don't know if it get bought or sold off, but
yeah.
How's it looking? It's trying to come up. Well, as soon as pulse moves, we're gonna move.
The 3-day looks okay. You got some 3-day bull div down here.
There we go.
There you go. Yep.
So that's telling us that pulse is getting ready to fucking launch then.
Yep.
It's pretty much paired.
Looks decent. You can
you flip it to the PLS price real quick on there?
Yep.
Yeah, see, we had that little tiny pump last night. It kind of forced it up a little bit. Yeah, guys. Anytime you see these at the bottom, just buy it. Because at some point, some bots or whoever the fuck is going to come in and pump it up, and you get instant profit with no tax, right? Go tokens is shit, dude. It's going to be here for fucking ever, and you'll be able to make money with this thing for fucking ever.
Weekly looks good on it.
We're at 22K. Yeah, and I haven't taken anything out of the liquidity pool yet, so it's all that shit's just been building this whole time. And when we do take off again, we're gonna have like almost $100,000 in liquidity probably, real quick. You know,
that's good.
So that's plenty to make some decent little trades on those little swings. You know,
looks like somebody sold for pulse chain here.
Yep.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I mean, the red candle, that means that they sold back.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, exactly. They're selling back for pulse. But they can only sell so much, and then at that bottom there, you see where those wicks are. That's my sniper bot picking it up.
Sniper.
Dragging it back up.
Sniper bot.
And then when it goes out of that range, I can take that goat. It sends it back to me automatically, and then I can redeem it for an instant profit, and then I just send it back and continue the circle. Builds a fucking liquidity
Nice.
like a boss.
Boss man.
I'll be doing that for many, many moons. And then, once Pulse gets up to a penny plus, dude, you're going to see some deep liquidities. Deep fucking, and then people will always be able to make money with GOAT.
Goat.
So it's a great system. I like it.
PTGC was requested.
Yeah, and UFO.
And UFO, yeah, PTGC.
We still got 25 people out there. Thank you so much for being here.
So PTGC is definitely in a falling wedge structure, but no follow through price action on this right now, man. You engulfed yesterday's scandal. Not a good look. If this continues down more, you're probably going to come back down to test the range low. And you know what? If it comes back down to the range low and you make a double bottom, you can easily manage your risks on something like that. Then you would be looking for it to reset and then maybe attempt to break out. All right. So you're not there. You're not showing it just yet. Your 3-day Stoics are starting to cross up though. So but you could still see some more consolidation until this does cross the 20 line. But your volume is receding. So when your volume is receding, you're gearing up for a move. So that doesn't look terrible, but it's not ready just yet. UFO token, I don't really have much data on. This unfortunately looks like some sort of rounding top formation, so probably going down a bit.
Shouldn't have been talking shit.
So it looks like you can see it looks like distribution. People selling or taking profit there that bought this dip down here. I'm guessing that they must have made a decent chunk of change if they bought it here, and that's 138%. But yeah,
getting ready to be a rich nigga. You feel me?
Oh shit! We got any more tickers out there? Oh, did you do Icosa yet?
what was it? Icosa.
Icosa. No.
Is that a Pulse asset or what is that?
Yeah, Icosa on Pulse. I guess that thing fucking mooned.
It's got some liquidity.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, they're saying this thing's gonna do some stupid shit.
All right, I'll add it to my watch list. Yeah. So the daily looking pretty good, right? So you made a bottom, you made a rally, you came back down, made a higher low, double bottom. So right here would have been a great place to take a trade. And now you're coming up to that neckline, which is right here at 12.5 cents. If you end up breaking 12.5 cents, you can clearly see a trend line right here. Actually, you touched it today. Yeah. And this is a big flag pattern. And you want to break it. If you don't break this, make sure you get out of your trade because it's probably going to come lower. So channels, you want to trade channels when they break the channel. Yes, you could, like I said, you could have strategized taking a trade here and trading it up to the top of the channel or top of the neckline. Double bottoms are only confirmed once you break the necklines.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Nice.
So
you have to break. You don't want to anticipate it. It's going to happen, and then it doesn't happen, and it gets rejected, right? Wait for the break. Confirmation.
Always wait for confirmation. That way you can be more confident staying in the trade.
Yeah, because you want follow through, right?
Yeah, you want the follow through. You want the volume, right? So you can see the volume starting to pick up here, right?
Yeah.
And you can also see, you came back down to your mid range and held it and hammered off of it. You got a little bit of follow through and then got rejected here. But this week's candle does look pretty good. Okay. If you close a weekly candle like that, I would say it's probably okay to take a swing trade on something like this.
So wait a couple of days, see what it does.
Yeah, wait for the Sunday candle close.
Yeah. Or yeah. Yes. Sunday. Fuck yeah. Sounds good to me. Fuck yeah. Any other tickers? Pepe.
Pepe on Pulse?
Pepe on PLS, yep.
Okay. Pepe on Pulse.
Pepe on Pulse.
Pepe Schmepe. Pulse chain. Pepe on Pulse. So there's only 25 in liquidity. Not a lot of liquidity there, so I wouldn't really be looking to ape a lot into this. You so far have rejected this region here. No real clear anything on this coin. It just looks like maybe some lower highs being set in for now. You can clearly see a trend line there and maybe some sort of consolidation structure. But, I mean, one could argue that it looks like maybe a cup with handle, but no confirmation of a channel break just yet. Wait for the break. Wait for the break.
Okay. There you have it. Wait for the break. iBurn will help Icosa. There's too much shit going on around the space. So let's check out Savannah and Soul. Oh man, this is gonna be great.
Oh, it's paired to trunk?
Yeah, it's fucking dude.
Jeez. Not sure what you really want to say about that candle right there, but that's BT dumping his bag.
That was Bank Teller doing some fucking shit.
Yeah.
What it was he didn't tell everybody that it was a governance token until after he launched it and everybody FOMO'd into it. Then when they found out it was just a governance token, they just dumped the shit out of it.
Well, there you go.
From what I hear. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong out there, but that's what I heard.
I don't really have any data. I don't really have any data, man.
How many times you get to take punches like that? Fuck.
It looks like it's
just great. Be honest with fucking people, dude. Like I'm telling you, if you're getting our NFTs, your money's stuck in there for a long time. Well, I'm not making any promises, but look, we have really no fudders out there. We have no fucking haters. A couple here and there, but damn, dude.
Well, this is what I'm looking at right now. If this ends up,
I try to set a higher standard.
If this continues to make higher lows, and it eventually breaks above this region, you're looking up to about 30033, which is about a 33%. A 30% move. And if you break this range, okay, then you can get into this next range right here, and then you can look to trade this up to 84% roughly. And then this doesn't really look like a lot of resistance to me, so. If this does have upside momentum, there's no reason why it can't go test up here at around a penny. Because this right here is a clear level of resistance, right? Use it as support bounce, made a lower high, dump through it.
What's the price right now? Oh, 2 cents of a penny. I mean, it's cheap.
Bad. The fuck is bad.
I'm good, dude.
I'm
staying on Pulse Chain. I don't give a fuck what anybody else builds.
Pulse Chain has $2,000 in liquidity, man. Good fucking luck. What are you gonna do? Put $10 into this thing? Come on, man.
There's better shit out there.
How about request some tokens that actually have liquidity?
Well, here's PLSB. We'll see if that one does.
This looks like shit. This looks like shit. Had a fake breakout.
That's been around for a while.
This thing just dumped. No offense.
Pulse Bitcoin. There's like no fucking volume either.
Pulse Bitcoin also 8.6K in liquidity. I mean, yeah, I don't know. This, mean, you have a clear trend. It's down.
Yeah. What's the liquidity?
8.6K.
16,000?
No, 8.6K liquidity.
Oh, we're volume. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you. It's hard to see on the screen because it's like squished up.
So if that is the low, then you want to just make sure you consolidate here.
Made 100G on launch. What, you made 100 grand on Savannah, Marvin? That's cool.
Sounds like it.
Oh yeah. I'm just not touching any more BT shit, dude. I'm not touching any more anybody's shit. Really?
Yeah, I hear it.
I want to focus on my project and building more onto this project. Where the fuck is Kaz?
So that's basically it. I probably wouldn't touch this coin personally, but that's just me. So 9-inch, we were talking about it, looked decent the other day. Okay, yeah, making a lower high now. All right. So yeah, I mean, you're making a lower high. You're confirming a range, a swing failure pattern on this. So maybe you come back down to test the low. If you hold the low, then if we break the neckline, we can talk about testing back to the top of the range again.
All right. Do any more tickers? Good shit, man. Nice win. Yeah, the only way I could have got in that was by selling shit on Pulse Chain. I don't want to do it. So I missed it. Technically, I've made more money on Pulse Chain than I've ever made with him. So, I could have made a lot for that fucking exploit. I'm not talking shit. I love BT. We've been friends forever. He's being a little fucking crybaby about some things and fucking left our chat. Talking about act like you know better than me, and you don't. Act like you're. What do you say? He said, "Act like you know better than me, but you don't."
Stop acting like you know better than me because you don't.
It's become a meme around here now. But whatever.
Hey, did Node ever see Mr. Chodeitall?
Yeah, I showed it to him. Oh shit! I don't give a fuck, man. When people give me advice that I think is going to be bad advice for my community, it ain't about me. It's about my, fuck. We taking my advice right out the gate. We could have backed this whole thing with Pete. I would be fucking lit. But everything's too speculative back then. And we wouldn't be that lit because where we launched was still when Pete I was just kind of trailing down a little bit. It was kind of, I don't know what, but.
Yeah, but you might have launched it a little bit later. Looking at another chart.
Yeah.
She said,
good,
I wish I could.
We'll make it happen.
Should have, would have.
All I do all day long is just think about ways that I can fucking make this just run fucking forever. Oh, at least fucking we go to episode 2000. That's my goal. Get to episode 2000. This shit's lit. We get into the next because I think episode 2000 will be how many days from now? What day is 701 days from now?
It's Saturday, April 11th, 2026.
Yeah, by 2026. Okay, cool. Cool. So that might be our very last stream, April 26th. So enjoy them while you can.
Why is that?
Because he'll be stupid rich by then.
I'll be stupid fucking rich, and I'm not going to be doing this every single fucking day. I just want to make my community fucking massive rich. Okay, we won. We started from nothing. Now we all won, and we're fucking rich. And now we just walk. Enjoy the rest of our lives, and just start fucking I want to start traveling and shit, dude. I want to start doing things. I can't fucking, I can't be dedicated to this. I mean, I can, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, dude. Who knows? I'm a crazy
like
motherfucker.
NATO.
But
let's not count our chickens before they hatch. You know what I mean, bro?
so, what do you think the market's going to be like April 26th or April 26th?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
In
Do you think the market will still run until? I wonder if that'll be like the top. We just all sell the top in April and just fucking boom.
2025, it should be in the middle of a downtrend in 26, no? Or like finding a bottom.
You think so? It's gonna be back to the bottom in 26?
Well, 2024, 2025 is like the bull run.
What happens if we have a 10-year bull run here?
Ooh.
Well, then we'll just be fucking mad rich.
Do you think that could happen? No? Like, can we go into fucking like a stupid cycle like that?
Just turn into the stock market?
Dude, the stock market's been running since what? Fucking the 1500s?
Like 100 years?
Yeah, 100 years.
So it can happen if the dollar collapses.
Ooh, yeah. And then Bitcoin just becomes the standard?
Right.
Oh, shit.
I don't see that happening.
Yeah, but then where are they going to get all their fake dollars to pump it?
I have a hard time thinking like the countries that rule the world would submit to something that they can't control and inflate.
But when I say dollar collapsing, I don't mean like actually collapsing. I mean like they just print it to oblivion, and all risk assets and all assets just get so inflated that number go up forever or number go up for a long time.
Man, I really don't want to be spending $100 for a fucking burrito.
You will.
Absolutely right, Robar.
You will be, dude.
Woo!
It's gonna get bad out there.
We got some believers out there. I love it.
All right, man.
If I wanted to do that, I went to fucking Mexico and just used pesos.
Well, Spark on, or did you look at the 9mm chart? Because that was a pretty good launch. I saw the other day.
Yeah, dude, I fucking look at deck screener. Is it like 5,000, 10,000% or some shit? And I'm like, what? 9mm has a coin? And I saw it launch. And I was like, oh.
Wow.
Interesting.
More downside probably on this.
Yeah, probably. Spark swap.
Spark looked interesting to me. Actually, I was looking at it earlier.
I've been looking at it every day versus GOAT.
Spark looks like it could be bottomed out.
Okay.
Could be bottomed out.
Because GOAT's been whipping its ass. Like
you can't really ever go wrong buying an asset when it's oversold. You just can't.
Even if it's a mint token, like a reward incentive?
Well, yeah, I guess. I don't know. But you can see that it's like it's rounding out here. Like it'll probably go up to test 10 cents at some point.
No.
And if it can end up reclaiming this range, the 10-cent range, then we can talk about it going back up to 22 cents.
Can you look at the GOAT versus Spark chart real quick? Because that one's interesting. Considering what you're saying here, I think, because if you look at it, it's GOAT Spark. Yeah, if you look at it versus, flip it real quick. Yeah, so versus Spark. Yeah, look how we've just been whipping its ass all the way up until that top there, and I'm wondering if it's going to continue that, or is Spark going to finally fucking turn around and start dominating us? That's what I'm curious to see.
So look at the trend line. You have a trend line here that it could end up respecting. So what could happen is GOAT
goes on a run.
Well, this is GOAT Spark. So when
GOAT goes on a run, this comes down.
So Spark is actually going to run.
No, sorry. GOAT's on a run all the way up there, and then Spark is outperforming us.
So Spark might outperform you here for another 13%.
Yeah,
and then you're going to see what happens at this trend line.
Yeah, and then if it breaks, Spark's gonna start whipping the fuck out of us.
Yeah, if that trend line breaks, just roll your GOAT for Spark.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good to know because, this whole way up, if you had your Spark and GOAT, you'd have been lit, right? and then you fucking flip it all at the top there for Spark.
Yep.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yep,
fucking cool. Now, I'm starting to understand it. It took me fucking like months of fucking like trying to figure this shit out in my head with these ratios and shit, but it's finally starting to make sense.
The Palacios. Yeah.
Yeah, I was telling Cookies it takes like years to like really comprehend like.
Yeah,
no,
it does.
well, it doesn't take
all
me
that shit.
it doesn't take me very long. It doesn't take me very long to figure it out.
Well, of course, you've been doing it forever.
Have you looked at Rivian lately? They just
Rivian,
like shut
the
down
stock?
their factories.
Do you guys do you guys do ratios in the stock market? In the stock market?
You can actually. I look at Bitcoin ratio versus the S&P a lot.
Okay.
Because Bitcoin, we'll get to Rivian in a second, but I want to show you guys what this is looking like right now. So Bitcoin versus the S&P, all right, is something good to look at because then you can understand. Then you can understand when Bitcoin's going to start outperforming the stock market, and it's not showing that right now. Actually, right? It's showing that the stock market could potentially still outperform Bitcoin, and even on the monthly here, it doesn't look that good.
So this is Bitcoin versus the stock. Oh, SPY.
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, it's been like
So Bitcoin's been dominating the fuck out of it this whole time, right?
Yeah, percentage wise, for sure.
Yeah. Okay.
But look what it just did, though, man. I see this quarterly right here. Wrecked.
Oh shit.
Not good.
Quarterly fucking lower fucking.
Not
high
good.
momentum.
Not good. Not good.
Ooh. So the stock market might be whipping Bitcoin's ass for a minute.
But it could also be the stock market's topping out too, right? Because Bitcoin's usually a good gauge for liquidity in markets.
Am I going to be like Satoshi and disappear? Nah, man, I'll still be here, dude. This fucking Telegram will be open till 12 months after I die, unless I hand it over to somebody else. But yeah,
I'm interested to look at the
probably
VIX
will at
here.
that point.
If the VIX, okay, the VIX doesn't look good. That's good news for the bulls. But the VIX is coming right into weekly support. So,
what is the VIX?
VIX is the volatility index. Typically, what happens is when we get volatile moves, meaning crashes or big pumps, the VIX will move. Right? Like this spike right here was the COVID crash. We're right back down at those levels right now. So, but this is not looking bullish to me right now. In fact, it's actually looking kind of bearish. The monthly, on the other hand, I don't know. I don't typically trade the VIX, but unless there's a really good low risk trade setup, because you can make a lot of money trading the VIX on options. Like if the VIX spikes, because the VIX does do spikes. Like if the VIX spikes, like sometimes I've seen the VIX spike like 20-30%. You catch an option trade on that and you make 20-30%, you like 4x, 5x your money in a day. Boom. Tough to trade though. Tough to trade. All right, we're starting to print some longs in the market right now, so that's good. See if we can get a reclaim. I mean, the market's closed right now. Like the futures markets are closed, and we just had a day where we sold off. But we didn't take out the lows just yet. Like we're hanging on by a fucking thread right here. We did technically close a daily.
Are they trying to open the stock market 24 hours like crypto?
I heard something like that.
Yeah, I heard some like a couple weeks ago about that, and I was like, huh. Would that be good or bad for stocks?
Probably be bad.
Yeah, because then you got the dumpers at night.
China just come in and dump the fucking market while everyone's sleeping. Oh shit. US sweeping. Haha. We could just dump everything. Haha. Wreck everybody.
Right.
All you option traders fucked. Haha. What do you guys think? Do you guys think if I build a course that people will buy it?
What, like a trading course, like how to read charts and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Everyone wants to learn.
Do you guys want to see a beginning stages of a course that I started building? I want your guys' feedback too, because I'm not going to play the whole thing, but it's because it's kind of long. But let me see. Sheep, you don't mind if I play a little bit of it, do you?
Okay, right.
Let's see. All right, so I don't know if you can hear my sound on here though. Let me stop sharing and then reshare.
You gotta, yeah, just reshare it. Click the button.
Yeah.
I'll probably is it copyrighted shit? I'll probably get like
no, it's not copyrighted. There's no music in it or anything.
Okay, cool.
All right, I'm ready when you are. His internet froze. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah.
Welcome, traders. This is Module 1, Introduction to Swing Trading. In this first module, we are going to discuss what swing trading is, why swing trading is profitable, and why you should really be interested in long-term swing trading. All right, let's get to it. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is a charting software. I personally use TradingView, and I will give you guys my affiliate link for that in this course. But basically, once you guys get TradingView, I personally use the desktop version, but you can use the web app version, and that's fine. And once you have access to TradingView, it'll look something like this. I'm actually looking at tether dominance. This is the tether dominance chart with nothing on it. This is just the basic version of TradingView with no indicators or anything like that. But you can change your chart settings if you don't have a black background. I like using a black background personally, and we're going to get into swing trading and what it's all about, and why swing trading I think is less stressful than day trading or scalp trading. I probably will put a course together for day trading and scalp trading, but this particular course will be focused on long-term swing trading. And long-term swing trades can be anywhere from a month to 6 months to 1 year. It just depends on the market situation. All right, so once you have TradingView, you're going to want to add a couple different indicators to your chart. I personally recommend the stochastic RSI, okay, and I also recommend a RSI. Now, an RSI and a stochastic RSI are two completely different types of TradingView indicators, and they tell you a couple different things. Now, the stochastic RSI and the RSI means, or is, the relative strength index. Now, what this basically tells you is when an asset is overbought or oversold. Now, an asset becomes overbought above 70, and it becomes oversold below 30 line. All right. Now, you typically want to be looking to buy assets when they are oversold, and you want to be selling assets when they are overbought, simply put. All right. Now, the stochastic RSI is a derivative of the RSI, which means that it derives or lets you know the momentum of the relative strength index. So right now we're looking at tether dominance, which tether dominance is a very important factor when you're trading for the long term in crypto, because you want to know if the market is going to be going up for the longer term or down for the longer term, right? And so right this very moment, we've been in a bull market now since we topped out here in September, October, right? And that's 2023. So we've been in this bull run for about almost a full year. Okay. Vape it. Now, what is this telling us right now on the weekly time frame? It's telling us that our weekly momentum is about to be topped out, and this should come down. It hasn't been confirmed yet, but we can see that the momentum is starting to top out here. And if we go to regular candles, we can see this candle right here is telling us a massive long wick to the downside. Okay, long wicks to the downside is selling pressure. Now, long wicks to the upside, like here, is buying pressure. Now, long wicks to the upside typically are trend reversals up, and long wicks to the downside are trend reversals down. So this is telling me that the crypto market is probably going to go back up for the coming weeks until we get to, well.
We got 43 people out there. DJs, welcome to the stream. If this is your first time,
support and resistance levels.
Can you guys hear me?
All right. And so essentially what you want to let me pause it. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I thought you were just doing it live right there.
No, this is my course. This is my course.
Okay. Sorry, I was like running over you. No, we got a bunch of people out there. Shout out, thank you to Mr. Chodeitall for coming out here. Make sure you guys smash the like if you like what you guys are seeing here today. You know, he's got a channel. Can you tell everybody where they can find you, Mr. Chodeitall?
Yeah, you can join my Discord, or you can follow me on YouTube, Swing Trade Pros, or at Professor Chodeitall Trades.
Yeah, I've got you right there at the bottom of the screen right now. It's coming along the bottom of the screen. Yeah, he's an OG in our group. I call him our technical analyst. Basically, you can always find him right here in our voice chat because on Telegram, if you guys join the Telegram, we're literally always in there talking about charts, this and that and the other. We have a good time. But do we have any more tickers? Do we have any more? We got 44 people out here. Thanks for the support, guys. Make sure you're smashing those likes, sharing this content out, and all that good stuff.
No, that'd be
did you like a teddy bear?
Good. That'd be good for me. I like the pace of it.
Mm-hmm. It's slow, right?
Slow, and it's explaining all that bullshit. When you start speaking Japanese and you start talking about doji this, doji that.
Yeah, right.
Like, am I supposed to buy Dogecoin? What is it? I'm confused.
Did you look at teddy bear yet?
No, but I'm gonna go ahead and say that the markets suck right now.
Yeah, it's just probably gonna come down.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, she's coming down. She's coming down.
For now, we're just, I guess, fucking, as Nagabo would put it.
We're correct.
That actually fucking scared me. I jumped a little bit. I was like, oh, what?
Oh, shit. All right. Well, yeah, let's go ahead and call it. I'll see you guys back in the Telegram. You guys want to join? Links at the bottom of the screen. And let's get those gains on the post stand. Thank you so much, Mr. Chodeitall, for your time. I'll see you back in the Telegram.
No worries.
Peace.
Blacksheep and I'm back again. I've come to rock you back and forth and up and down and out the door for sure. I'm chilling with the DJ protocol. We come to represent and we don't give a shit, cause we're fucking rich on the post. You know we're stacking up our
That's the black sheep token. That's the token I care the least about.
Reality is, this shit is dumping.
You know what? I happen to think your shithole's pretty fucking badass, and I would like to.
No.
Yeah, Shane. It was so fabulous.
How did they get the name monkey in there?
The gays do. Because they're having dirty monkey sex.
Oh.
God.
All right, guys, it's lunchtime. I'll catch up with you later.
All right. Yeah, see you, Don. Enjoy the kangaroo.
Bro, these niggas hit me in the parking lot, bro. We about to be paid. Play that, bro. Play that. You already know the vibes. Boy, what the You lying. No, y'all hit me. Y'all hit. What is he doing in the front seat? Oh my.
Bro, I saw you hit them, bro.
Not you again. No, bro, they hit me, bro. Look, he crying because they know he did it. Are you serious?
Say hi to my friend Blacksheep, babe. Yeah?
My headphones?
No, say hi to my friend Blacksheep.
Huh?
Say hi to my friend Blacksheep.
What friends?
Hola. Con Blacksheep.
Who is Blacksheep?
He's mi amigo.
I didn't know about that.
Not who you know, it's who you blow.
Whoa!
I got one word for
Right on.
you. The word is
Turkey Slurpee.
don't even know what you're saying. You was sucking that motherfucking dick. Girl, you sucking that motherfucking dick. You don't even know what you're talking about. You sucking that motherfucking dick.